Hello guys, in this video we will explain the method of factory resetting the Bluetooth settings to the default settings. Therefore, if you have any problem related to Bluetooth, it will be solved in this video, but I followed these steps with me. I will explain the first method and the second method. The first method is a factory reset of the Bluetooth settings. The second method is optional, just in case the first method does not work for you, and you do not have the same settings as those in my phone settings. Now we will go through the explanation. First, you go to the settings. After that, you click on Applications, then you click on Applications again. After that, you click on the three dots above here, then you click on Show the Struggle Operations. After that, you type in the application search engine. You type Bluetooth. After that, you click on Storage. After that, you click on Delete Application Data. You click on Delete Data. This is the first method. Now we pass to the second method. The second method is to go to Settings. After that, we click on Applications, then we click on Applications. After that, we click on the three dots above here, then we click on Reset Preferences. Applications. As you can see, Reset Application Preferences. This procedure leads to resetting the third preferences. Disabled Applications. Notifications. Disabled Applications. Default Applications and Bluetooth. It is one of the default applications, and therefore it will be reset to the settings. By default, if you have any problem, you will find it solved. I hope you liked the video. I hope the problem has been solved for you. I hope you will support me by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing the video. If I have any questions or inquiries, please write it in the comments. Goodbye.